Welcome to Happy Learning Land! Hi, superstars! Welcome to Happy Learning Land! Today, we're flying with the fabulous pink letter F. F says... F says... Can you say it with us? F! F at the beginning. Fox, fox. Yep, yep. F. F frog. Frog. Ribbit, ribbit. F can be in the middle. G-I-F-T. Gift. Surprise. F can be in the middle again. L-E-A-F. Leaf. Flutter, flutter. You read fox, frog, gift, leaf. Amazing job! F, F, fox, swish, swish, tail. F, F, frog, ribbit, ribbit, hail. G-I-F-T, gift, surprise, surprise. L-E-A-F, leaf. G-I-F-T, gift, surprise, surprise. L-E-A-F, leaf, flutter in the skies. F, 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 pink and so fun. Letter F for everyone. Yay! Great job, superstars! You learned fox, frog, gift, and leaf. See you next time for letter G.